Greetings from your family, friends, and colleagues.
Hi, sister. Happy birthday. Wow, 60 years old. Welcome to the club and stay healthy always. And see you soon. Okay, bye-bye.
Hello, Ate Beth! Happy birthday sa'yo. I wish you all the best. And I would like to thank you for being part of our lives. And thank you for everything that you've done for me and for the whole family. I hope one day you can come and visit us here as well. I hope to see you again soon. I love you so much and take care. Mwah.
Hi, Ate Beth. Happy birthday. Wish ko lang maging masaya ka, laging healthy, strong, and sabi nga ni yung beautiful sister, puntahan mo naman kami rito. Bisitahin mo kami, Ate Beth. Bye-bye. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Mama Beth. I miss you. Wish you the best.
Go. Happy birthday, Happy Beth!
Happy birthday, Mama Beth!
Happy birthday, sa'yo ang handaan, kami ang kakain. Ate Beth, happy birthday. Wish you good health, happiness, and long life. Thank you for being a good sister and a good Mama Beth to Gab and Gian. We love you, sis.
Happy birthday, Mama Beth! We love you!
Ingat ka lagi.
Hello po, Mama Beth. Happy birthday. Wishing you good health always and more birthdays to come. At sana po pagpalain ka pa ng mahabang buhay para madami ka pang matulungan. Happy birthday ulit and thank you sa lahat ng tulong at lahat po. Yun lang. Happy birthday. Thank you. Love you. Love you po.
Happy birthday, Tita Beth. Thank you for being such a wonderful, loving, thoughtful, caring, and most of all, generous to us and to everyone who will come your way. Well, age is just a number. You still remain beautiful inside and out. And I just want to quote this Bible verse from Isaiah chapter 46 verse 4. Even to your old age and gray hairs, I am He. I am He who will sustain you. I have made you, and I will carry you. God is always there to protect you, to take care of you, Tita Beth. And I pray that you will continue to taste and see the goodness of God in the land of the living. Happy birthday ulit, Tita Beth, from our family. Happy birthday, and we love you.
Hi, Betchay! Finally, dumating na! Life begins at 60! Ang motto nating BFFs, 60 and still looking fabulous. Welcome to Club 20% World! Enjoy!
Hi, Betchay! The long wait is over. You're now officially Senyora. Gala mode na tayo. Tara, let's. Set na yan. See you soonest. Happy birthday!
Iwa pa? Batang-bata pa sa aking paningin.
Ay, ikaw naman, Elna. Ano masasabi mo?
Si Mama Beth, mainitin ang ulo baka dahil 60 years old na ba? Pero love ko yan si Mama Beth. I love you, Mama Beth. Relax lang. Happy birthday!
Mother Sue.
Ako naman tawan-tawa sa kanya kasi sa lahat na magsi-60, excited na excited. Araw-araw may countdown. We love you, Mama. We love you, Beth.
Okay, Mars, the lady behind the scene is your loving kumare. Happy birthday! Hindi mo man ako nakikita kasi ako ang nagbi-video. Basta alam mo naman yung love na love ka ng grupo, love na love ka namin, at ikaw lang ang totoong sinasabi ni Ate Susana, excited na excited maging senior citizen. Welcome to the group! Happy birthday! I love you!
Happy Wishing you the happiest and the brightest day ever. We love you. Mwah!
Ma'am, happy birthday! Happy 60th year ang natatanggap mo na sa taong mong ito. Matanggap mo na po ang mga benefits na nagmumula sa bilang isang senior citizens. Pareho na po tayo, ma'am. Ang Diyos ay patuloy na pagpapalain ka. Ang panalangin ko po na kung papaano makapamuhay ka ng mayroong kagalakan, kapayapaan, punong-puno ng pag-ibig. Paano po na mahipapakita at maging instrumento ka hindi lamang sa pamilya mo, hindi lamang sa katrabaho mo, hindi lamang sa sino man na mga kakilala mo. Even po sa lahat ng mga taong iyong nakakahalubiho. Thank you so much what you have done sa lahat ng ginagawa mo sa aming mga buhay. Every day ko sa buong dietary po. Thank you and may the Lord bless you always, ma'am. Sa iyong kaarawan na ito, naway na maangkin mo na ang more fruitful na mga bagay na maangkin mo doon sa Diyos. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng mga motivation na tinuturo mo sa amin. Namomotivate kami dahil totoo naman, ma'am, paano ka magtuturo sa amin. Ikaw ay totoong teacher, ikaw ay totoong nagli-lead, ikaw ay totoong natututo ako sa lahat ng bagay ng trabaho dito na hindi ko naman pinag-aaralan yon. Kaya, thank you lang talaga, ma'am. Magkawalay man tayo pagdating ng araw, but still hindi ko makakalimutan kung papaano ginagamit ka sa buhay ko, sa pamilya ko, higit sa lahat, ang Diyos ang siyang nakarecord ng lahat ng ginagawa mong nahitulong, lahat ng kabutihan, lahat ng bagay na nakikita sa iyo. Ito ay gift, ma'am. Kaya, thank you so much. Ito ang glory, ma'am. Huwag mong tanggapin. Ibigay mo sa Diyos, ma'am. Kaya ang 60 year mo na naangkin ito, that is blessing sa iyo. Kaya to God be the glory, hindi sa iyo ang kapurihan, pasasalamat, everything, Lord, everything, ma'am, kundi sa Diyos po. Kaya muli, happy birthday po, ma'am.
To our boss, happy birthday po. Thank you for being so considerate and forgiving sa lahat ng mga amin po. And in your 60th birthday, we wish you well. And we hope you have more wonderful years with the people who are close to your hearts. Happy birthday, ma'am.
Happy birthday, Ma'am Beth. More blessings to come. Good health. Thank you for being nice.
Happy birthday, Ma'am Beth. Thank you. And more birthdays to come. More blessings to you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Ma'am Beth.
Ma'am, welcome to the senior world. Happy birthday. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng tiwala na ipinagkaloob mo sa akin from day one up to the present. And salamat din, ikaw din yung naging instrumento para mapag-aral at mapagtapos ko yung aking dalawang anak. Ikaw na yata yung napaka-generous, napakabait na tao na nakilala ko. Yung walang sawang pagtulong mo sa mga taong nakapaligid sa iyo. Ngayon, ang wish ko sa iyo ay ikaw, ibigay naman sa iyo yung minimithi pa ng puso mo. Maraming salamat and maligayang kaarawan, madam.
Maligayang kaarawan sa aming nag-iisang boss, madam.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.